So now let's start implementing our menus upload screen. So first of all, we can say return scaffold widget, and we will just call our my app bar. Title message will be add new menu, and then the back button we want to display, so we will pass this as true. Then after a bar we have body, child column widget, main axis alignment will be center, and then let's add an icon first. And it will be icons.shop_2. The UI of our this seller screen will be white. Of course, if you want, you can proceed with the black. Okay, the user's app is black, the seller's app we will keep white. Okay, a white UI, white background, but it is totally up to you. If you want to keep both black, then just instead of white you can proceed with black, and according to that you can adjust the icons and text on the user interfaces. Size for this will be 200. Then we need elevated button. Let's add a title for this button. We will say add menu, or you can say add new menu. Let's apply some style on over this button, so we can say style elevated button dot style from, and the background color we will change to black. So now if we see, this is how our UI looks like. The background color for this button, let's also change it to black. So on our home screen we have this button, the background color will be black, and by default the color is white for the text. Okay, but if you want, you can of course specify here that is color start white.